Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, so much is going on in the world right now, and especially here at home in Jamaica with wars, kidnappings, murders, etc. And most of it you see on your social media accounts. So to help with your mental health, some suggest that it is good to take social media breaks.
Okay, well, your social media break doesn't have to be all or nothing, which is good news for a lot of people. So some people scale back their social media usage while others unplug periodically. So we have some suggestions on how you can scale back your social media usage to ease your mental health.
Okay, so the first one is to monitor your social media engagement. So you do this by limiting yourself to 30 minutes of scrolling daily. Many smartphones provide a detailed report of your screen time, so you can also download an app to help you track and limit your social media use, like Social Fever or Moment does that as well.
All right. Something else you could do is probably schedule your social media activity. So look at social media at the same time every day. And that's the only time you're going to do it. So, for example, try checking your emails only twice a day, scrolling through Twitter only during your lunch break, for example, or logging into social media accounts only on a weekend.
Also, disconnect before bedtime. Now, electronic screens emit a blue light that delays the release of sleep-inducing melatonin, which affects sleep quality. So unwind your brain by avoiding digital devices at least 2 to 3 hours prior to bedtime.
And then this other one is something many people do, turn off notifications. So you can turn off social media notifications so you're not tempted to just pick up your phone every minute to hear it go ping, pong, ping, ping.
Correct. I'm looking for something to show you. Okay, so increase face-to-face interactions, call friends or make plans to get together instead of liking their posts. Focus on offline activities as well. Consider making 1 day a week social media free, then make fun plans.
And then to unplug from social media for a while, here are some options. One, you can choose to avoid one or more social media apps for a set period of time.
Yeah, so tell close friends about your break if they'll worry about your absence.
And then you can also delete the social media apps from your smartphone. I know people who do that too.
You do it. Okay, so leave your phone out of the bedroom by an alarm clock if needs be.
And then you can also fill newfound free time with hobbies, exercise, phone calls, and in-person social connections. So we hope those little tidbits help. If you missed it, you can actually go to YouTube and you can type in Daytime Live and then you can see the snippet, or you can just follow us on social media and you see all of this.
What are some of the things that you do?
Oh, wow. You want me drastic still enough?
Me, myself. Myself.
Right. Like, I will just not go on social media for weeks, months. Like, I don't check nothing.
Yeah.
If you don't tell me, if others do not tell me, I have people who will tell me. I don't need to be on it daily or at all.
Yeah,
I delete the apps too. Yeah, I don't have notifications either.
I don't have notifications on my phone either.
Yeah.
And there are times when I put my phone in monochrome mode. I don't know if you know you can do that. So there's no color on my screen at all.
Nice.
So because I found what was happening is that anytime I take up my phone to do something, when I take it up and open it, automatically, I guess because of muscle memory, I'm checking social media.
Yeah.
But I still do a lot of business on social media.
Right.
Not just posting though, but I have a lot of conversations going on in DMs with promoters and events. I have a lot of conversations going on in WhatsApp. I have a lot of conversations going on in email. So these things are happening simultaneously. So I tend to take up my phone and check those 3 things, but sometimes I take up my phone for a specific purpose. I might have an idea for a song or an idea for this, and I take up my phone to write it down, and automatically I check my social media accounts, and then if I see something there, I am
get pulled,
automatically sidetracked. And it's a distraction, and I realize that, so I just take off the color, so I'm not drawn to anything.
So the thing is, social media isn't bad. Social media isn't the issue. For me, it's just the general having something control me, control my actions, control my time. So anything that seems as if, wait, you want to control how I operate, let me get rid of it.
I want to get rid of
you. So whether it be a person or a thing, Once I feel like I try run my thing, I hate that. Right?
I prove it too much, you know.
So, no, I'm just saying. So, because of that, what I find is, so even social media for business, that's great. You know, we have to be social media managers and we have to be in digital marketing. That's for the job. I do that part and you're not going to take me down the rabbit hole with you, social media. I choose when I look at you, okay?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
100%, I mean that. Like I am the master of my life.
Yes.
Other than the master himself.
Of course.
You know? So, you know, any decision that I make must be a decision, you know? I'm not gonna just end up.
It just happened.
Yeah, I'm not really doing
Maybe
end
it
up.
just happened.
Really end up. Because enough people will tell you, say them all end up in a relationship and all them things. I don't do end up, me not do
End up nowhere.
I go somewhere. And if I go in there, I'll get there.
We go in there.
But me not end up now, you know.
Or maybe some people just go, maybe you just go with the flow. I don't know, but you know, end up.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
Not end up. No.
So at the end of the day, guys, it's just about having some self-control. It's about being able to say yes when you want to say yes and no when you want to say no, and being able to choose what comes into your space, into your mind, what your eyes see, etc. Because especially for me, if me see it, I'm gonna forget it, you know. So be careful.
I saw a post recently that I just want to leave you guys with. It was a guy talking about social media, and he was saying that social media is there to show you places that you could be. Is there to show you people that you could be with. It is there to show you things that you could have, which is fine. However, too much of it will make you forget and appreciate what you do have less. You know, so it's something to think about, you know. Pay attention to where you are.
Yes, man.
Yeah, on that note, Daytime Live will be right back. When we come back, we have a video from the Emperor himself, Shabba.